information is not completely representative of the entire Indian life insurance industry. Cities, main cities, because there is a more insurance company over there, and firm size also over there in main big cities, and this information is not completely representative of the all Indian insurance industry, because I choose 500 firms from the all India basis for most of the main cities like Delhi, Delhi NCR, Ghaziabad, Kanpur, Lucknow, Pondicherry, Chennai. These are the main cities which I have completed the questionnaire from the respondent. Finally, it is beyond the scope of this research to fully cover all the relevant issues pertaining to the group life insurance market, and some issues are only brief deal with. We cannot touch all the issues related to the group insurance. That is why I touched the only service delivery and the customer satisfaction. There is delimitation also. The study is limited to the only big cities of India. As the reason for this, because of industrial and commercial location of India, and sizable number of insurance company and consumer are located there. Moreover, in short, in this study have been limited from small size companies. Finally, the sample for this study has been deviated to the sizable 380, because I sent to the 500 questionnaire, but the usable questionnaires available to me is 380, who have already bought group life insurance product, and I know this by the questionnaire.
Come to this one, findings your results.
Okay, sir. We'll come to the finding and conclusion. I have two variables, independent and dependent variable. Independent variables is tangibility, reliability, responsiveness, assurance and empathy with the two agents and corporate agents. And there is dependent variable is customer satisfaction, which this research is based on. Now coming to the method of analysis. Analyzing the data, there is some statistical tool have been used like independent t-test, correlation analysis, ANOVA and multiple linear regression. Percentage bar graph and pie chart are also done for analysis of primary survey data. Three major statistical analysis methods are adopted: reliability analysis to check the validity of the dimensions of the service quality. Second one is descriptive analysis. The third one is statistical inference analysis. Result: there is no difference. First, null hypothesis: there is no difference in customer satisfaction of group life insurance between agent and corporate agent. And alternate is there is difference in customer satisfaction of group life insurance between agent and corporate agent, and statistical tools use independent sample t-test. Decision is reject, null hypothesis is reject, and conclusion is there is difference between agent and corporate agent in customer satisfaction toward group life insurance. The agent perceived higher than the corporate agent. Second hypothesis is tangibility, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, empathy are not significantly correlated. Alternatives: tangibility, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, empathy are significant correlated, and statistical tools use correlation analysis. Decision is null hypothesis is rejected, and conclusion is tangibility, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, empathy are significantly correlated. Last one is the customer satisfaction of the group life insurance cannot be predicted by tangibility, reliability, responsiveness, assurance and empathy. And alternatives, customer satisfaction of group life insurance can be predicted by tangibility, reliability, responsiveness, assurance and empathy. Tools used is multiple linear regressions. Decision is reject, null hypothesis reject, and alternate is accepted. Conclusion is the R means state of relationship between satisfaction of tangibility and assurance is moderate extent. Findings: customer satisfaction is more important aspect, and it is directly linked to the quality services, and the best product advising by the insurance channels especially happen the best in the case of the agent as compared to the corporate agent. I found in the case best with the agent and compared to the corporate agent. During survey, find that the customers are increasing digital capability across the sales and services. Now the day customers are using use of information technology for the premium paying and stop paying for the insurance. Use of emerging interaction channels such as social media and mobile will continue to increase. Survey says that most of the problem in service delivery emanate from policy related issue than in claim related issue in the insurance industry. Group life insurance customers massively see the agent and corporate agent as a preferred advisor, but also some customers prefer other modes like the bank channel and online portal channel. Like in Western countries, the bank channel is more influential than the agent and corporate agent. But here in India, we prefer for the agent and corporate agent. Most of the insurance companies raise their maximum premium from agent channel, and it should be need to recruit and develop better agent and corporate agent for the market. Life insurance company cater primarily to the middle and high class income. By large, it does not cater to low income societies, agricultural peoples. Insurance for micro insurance, group insurance policies for member of SSG, Mahila Mandals, and also for the sex worker group are for the option that need to be explored. In general, coming to the research contribution, in general this research has focused on how distribution channel practice influence the satisfaction level of customers of group life insurance product. This work has provided a theoretical and analytical understanding of complexity of the corporate product and distribution strategies within the Indian life insurance industry with the intent of promoting more in-depth understanding of various corporate products for the corporate or the firm operating in India, and also encouraging the exploration of the alternate channel or distribution channel practice that allow to capture another market apart from individual product market which may be more productive for the life insurance company. On the same pattern service quality model, researchers also developed the called ASC model, which is clearly shown here. The customer satisfaction leads to the 5 dimensions of service quality model: reliability, assurance, tangibility, and empathy and responsiveness. I found that overall tangible dimension is the most satisfied dimension than other dimensions, and the least dimension is the reliability. Recommendation for the further study. These studies focus on group life insurance industries only, hence results are not representative of whole industry, but it still can be considered as the first step to provide life insurance industry in India with the beginning of answer and assessment of the customer satisfaction with the group life insurance distributions. Therefore, other studies should be conducted considering other aspects like in insurance, like other distribution channels than the agent and corporate agent. Finally, other studies on other type of insurance product like individual insurance, home insurance, medical insurance, fire insurance, takaful insurance can be performed and will be inspired from the methodology adopted in this study as well as consider service dimensions. Thank you.
How far your sample represent the population? What was the population of that particular country? And how much was your sample? Does it represent the population first? Second thing related to that about your analysis part, so then look, you have analyzed about that Parshuram's model of that, and you have tried to fit it into the Indian context. Now, as a result of that analysis, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to devise the marketing strategy for that particular corporate. Okay. So out of that 5 variables which you took as an independent variables, now which one influences more? Now let's come to the practical utility of that research. Suppose I am a person who is going to devise a marketing strategy for the corporate product. Then which one? Suppose each empathy matters more, or does the responsibility matters more, or whatever. How do you reflect that in your research?
Sir, as I have worked with the insurance, different insurance companies, that I found the tangibility dimension from the service quality, these 5 dimensions is more influential. Because if we say the customers that we have an office or we have some product that we deliver to your office, paying premium or claiming the death claim, whatever it is, but we have to look for cost of the tangible, and least one is reliability. If we are say from insurance company from LIC, then people will buy from LIC company, easily to buy from the LIC as compared to the ICICI or Edelweiss,
Akram को बुला के लाओगे।
IDBI Fortis or Reliance company, because they are more assurance from the LIC company.
No, suppose see, this is very important, particularly for the persons who are pursuing the research. See, two aspects I want to know from you. One is about whether your sample represents the population or no. This is a very important thing because most of the research work, this lacks. Most of the research scholars, they don't bother much about this aspect. Second aspect is about that policy implication of that. Policy implication is directly associated with the analysis of the data. That what I want to know from you, or this is more important. Now for me, what are the tangible criteria? Unless I understand that, okay, these are the criteria, 10 criteria which suits me, because when I make the policy, it's directly related to the budget. So then I focus more on that aspect which is more important for me. I mean, which leads me to buy a policy. So that aspect we want from you, those variables which have directly linkages with them.
I found tangible is more inflation, I mentioned.
See, tangible is a statement. Again,
But tangibility is how your physical structure, infrastructure over there.
so whether physical infrastructure, whether the share certificate, whether the insurance certificate, whether the...
I'm coming to you. This is physical infrastructure first one, and that what you present to the customers, like policy documents, and what are the payments mode, either it is
This is general, I don't want to, because you have studied that, I want to micro basis, okay, number one is that certificate, number two is this, number three is this.
physical infrastructure certificates, and
Now, did you analyze? I want to ask
I
that.
have already given in the questionnaire also. These are the tangible dimensions.
Yeah, so see, the suggestion is there that whatever are the variables, suppose if you are telling that, okay, tangible variable is more important than the intangible variables, then the suggestions would be for your further research, under the tangible variables, these are the variables which has impact, quantifiable impact. Quantifiable impact means 90% is this, 80 is this, correlation is this quantifiable value. So under that variables, I want the micro variables as well, so that when you go to the industry, you could tell that, okay, these are the major areas. These are the major things which I got out of my own research. So there you need to analyze and identify that these are the major variables. Please do not tell about the general things in that research. Second thing, now you tell what is the policy implication, that what is the utility for the industry of.
The utility is that we are lacking from the marketing strategy, especially for the group insurance product. We are not aware of, I will say about the firms, profit of firms.
So did you analyze anything about that awareness? How unaware were the people, like how many places you covered? I think 10 places you covered. So how unaware were the
They
people?
are not aware of giving offer to the employees as a good extra benefit apart from the monetary benefit. These are, suppose if we are 5 members in the insurance, different small companies. If we are offering group insurance policies to the, then it is extra as a fringe part of the fringe benefit of this employer as a employer. So it is a beneficial for
arises here, which level were not aware? Is it youngsters not aware? Is it the old people not aware? Is it the woman not aware? Is it the old people not aware?
people are aware, but middle class people, middle age, like age between 35 and 45, they are not aware of that so much about their group insurance benefit for the people. But it's, I found some people from above the age of 50, they are more knows about the group insurance. But it is a very long-term policies and it is very beneficial for the work.
Okay, anyway, your answer should be that out of the total population, this much of the population, youngsters were aware, this much of the population, micro quantifiable terms, that we want to hear. Okay?
Language is a problem.
Yes, sir, language is another word. Because
Nowadays it is printed both in English and Hindi. Both.
Yes, but
I don't think that language is a problem.
But I'll prepare in Hindi.
The problem is the level of
But I'll touch to the Chennai people also. They are